Dear students, one more experiment as regards photosynthesis, right? And this time, what is our purpose? Our purpose is to show that sunlight, this sunlight, this sunlight is required during the process of photosynthesis, right? That means without the sunlight, photosynthesis will not take place. We have to go with this experiment, right? For this, what all things we need? We need again the first thing, a de-starched potted plant. For this we need a de-starched potted plant. You know very well what is a de-starched potted plant? Do you know? Do you know? The de-starched potted plant is a green plant in a pot that is kept in dark room for 2 days, so that this plant could not have done the process of photosynthesis, and the leaves are devoid of carbohydrate or starch. So such a plant is called de-starched, starched removed potted plant. How can you have made question, sir, earlier they have done the photosynthesis and they have the starch? Yes, obviously, you are right, they have the starch. When you kept them in the room for 2 days, say 48 hours or more, during those 48 hours, they use up all the starch they have produced priorly. Before, the starch that they have produced before is used up by them when they are in the dark room, right? And the new starch is not produced, because in the dark they could not carry out photosynthesis. So de-starched potted plant. Then you need the black tape, a paper black in color, 2 strips of black colored chart paper, 2 strips, just 1 inch wide, 2 strips 1 inch wide of black chart paper. You know, chart paper is little bit thinner than the cardboard, and it will not allow the light to pass through it. It is an opaque object, right? So 2 strips 1 inch wide, like the electrician's tape, that black tape, right? You use the cello one is not required. The black tape that electricians used to insulate the joints in the electrical wires of conductors, right? So 2 strips 1 inch wide of black chart paper, just enough to cover part of the leaf, right? Then you need iodine solution. You need iodine solution. You need beaker. You need test tube. You need tripod, you need gauze, wire gauze you need, and then you need Bunsen burner. Bunsen burner. Now you may be confused, sir. What all so many things you are? Iodine solution is a solution of iodine. You have heard of this iodine as regards the salts. You have seen on the packets of the salts it is written iodized salt, right? Means the salt is having the presence of iodine. So iodine is an element, is a chemical substance, right? And its solution we need, because when you put this iodine into a substance that contains starch or carbohydrate, that is sugars, if you put little, the color of the iodine is violet in color, but if you add this into starch, it will turn into blue black. There will be change in the color. That shows the presence of starch. Sometimes you may be asked in the examination, how will you test for the presence of starch? So very easy, put little or a drop of iodine solution on that material to be tested for presence of starch. The color will change into blue black, though the color of the iodine is violet, right? So this iodine solution is required for the testing the presence of starch. Then you need a beaker to carry out this starch test, right? And then test tube is also needed to carry out this starch test. Tripod where you set up the material, this apparatus. Tripod is a stand, triangular stand with 3 legs, that is why the name tripod. And below this we keep the Bunsen burner. This wire gauge is kept above this, right, metallic wire, and this is kept over this stand, and a beaker is set up above this, and from below we have this Bunsen burner to boil this water in this, and in this you keep the beaker for the test of starch. So your test of starch is not concerned, that is a support for this experiment. So let us go on with the main experiment. The main experiment is we have to find out that sunlight is essentially required for the process of photosynthesis. You take a de-starched potted plant, select de-starch means that potted plant you kept in the dark room for 48 hours so that the leaves become devoid of carbohydrate or starch. Select a healthy leaf in that plant. In that plant you select one healthy leaf. Don't separate the leaf from the plant, let this be in the plant. You just select this leaf, and after selecting you clip this black colored strips of chart paper from top and bottom of the lamina. If this is the leaf lamina, you put this black colored chart here and below and clip it with the paper clip. You have seen the paper clip? This type of paper clips we use, you just clip it. You clip it, right? And then bring this plant in the sunlight. When you bring this plant in the sunlight and leave it for whole day, this plant will go on with the process of photosynthesis. But what we have done, this part of the leaf we have divided from the sunlight. The sunlight cannot enter through this paper. So this portion of the leaf is divided. This is getting the sunlight. This is getting the sunlight. But this portion of the leaf is not getting the sunlight. Do you follow? When you leave it this setup for the whole day, what you will see, that process of photosynthesis will be carried on by this plant, and then at the end you take out or pluck this leaf, separate this leaf from this plant, remove the clips, and then these black strips of paper, and then whole leaf you test for presence of starch. When you put iodine solution all over this leaf, what you will see, this portion you see, this portion will turn into blue black. This will turn into blue black. Why? It's because this leaf, this portion of the leaf has produced the starch. But you see, this portion of the leaf, this portion of the leaf will not turn blue black. Can you tell me the reason? The reason is this part of the leaf has not carried on the process of photosynthesis, because this part of the leaf was devoid of starch. So this showed starch. This showed starch. But this lacked starch. Means this carbohydrate. This experiment shows that if the plant is not provided with sunlight, it will not able to carry on this process of photosynthesis. Now I have a question for you, right? And that question is, if this full leaf we will pack in a polythene packet, black in color, that is not allowing, and keep it in the sunlight for the whole day, what will happen? Will this portion show the presence of starch? Yes, will not show, because this full leaf is not getting the sunlight. So this experiment proves that sunlight is essentially required for the process of photosynthesis. Clear? So sometimes in the examination this aspect is, or this type of experiment is also asked. Clear? Okay. If you develop any doubt while observing, while viewing this video, don't hesitate, you feel free to call me or just leave a question, or leave the question that your doubt, as regards your doubt with this video, and be sure I will be clearing. Okay. Thank you. Take care. Be safe. Have a good day.